Here are 3 AI cash flow loops you can start this week with $100 or less. Not passive income fairy tales, real loops, where a small input becomes AI output that pays you again and again. Stay to the end for the one rule that decides whether any of them actually work. Most people think you need savings, a big audience, or some secret tool to make money with AI. You don't. $100 covers the tools. The real barrier is that almost nobody understands what a cash flow loop even is. A cash flow loop is simple. You put in a little money and time, AI turns it into something you can sell again and again, and the sale pays you. Instead of spending that money, you reinvest it, so the loop spins faster next month. Input, AI output, income, reinvest. There's a single rule that separates the people who build a real income from the people who quit in month 2. It's boring, it's the entire trick, and we'll get to it once you've seen all 3 loops. Loop number 1, AI Service Arbitrage. This is the fastest loop to your first dollar, and it needs almost no money to start. You offer a service people already pay for: short-form video edits, product descriptions, logo concepts, blog posts. AI does most of the heavy lifting. You add taste, quality control, and delivery. Clients pay for the result, not the tool behind it. Your $100 buys a month of 2 AI tools and a profile on a marketplace like Fiverr or Upwork. That's it. No inventory, no office, no employees. A single gig in our example earns $30 to $80, and AI lets you deliver it in under an hour. These are illustrative numbers, not a promise, but the math is very doable. Here's the loop part. Your first few payouts don't go to dinner. They buy a better tool, a faster template, a small ad to get the next client. The service funds its own growth. Loop number 2, AI digital products. Slower to start than services, but this one keeps paying after the work is done. You use AI to create a small digital product, a Notion template, a prompt pack, a printable planner, a niche ebook. You build it once, then it sells on its own while you sleep. The $100 covers an AI writing or design tool and a free storefront like Gumroad or Etsy. Your only real cost after that is time. Here's why creators love this loop. Once it's built, every extra sale costs you basically nothing. 10 sales or 10,000, the product is the same file. Reinvest the early sales into a second product and a tiny bit of traffic. 2 products become 4. Each one you build is faster because AI already knows your style. Loop number 3, AI automation as a service. This is the most powerful loop because it pays you every single month. Local businesses are drowning in repetitive work, answering the same questions, following up with leads, writing posts. You build a simple AI workflow that does one of those jobs, and you charge a monthly fee to keep it running. Your $100 covers an automation tool and an AI model subscription. 1 coffee with a local owner can land your first client. A single small business client in our example pays $300 to $1,500 a month, recurring. Land 2 or 3 and this stops being a side hustle. Illustrative figures, but well within reach. This is the strongest loop because the money repeats without reselling. Each retainer funds outreach for the next client, and your AI system gets reused every time. Build once, charge monthly, repeat. So if the loops are this simple, why does almost nobody build one? 3 quiet reasons. First, they wait to feel ready. They watch one more video, buy one more course, and never ship the first gig or product. Ready is a feeling that arrives after you start, not before. Second, they spend the early money. The first $100 of profit feels like a reward, so they take it out, and the loop never gets to spin. The people who win reinvest while it's still tiny. Third, they quit in the boring middle, where the income is real but still small. That flat stretch is exactly where compounding is loading up. Most people walk away 1 month before it gets interesting. You don't need all 3 loops. Pick the one that fits your week, and start it before you feel ready. Before you go, dodge the 3 mistakes that destroy these loops early. Mistake 1, trying to serve everyone. A vague offer gets ignored. Pick one narrow customer and become obvious to them. Mistake 2, selling the AI instead of the outcome. Nobody pays for prompts. They pay for more leads, more time, more sales. Sell that. Mistake 3, the deadly one, spending the snowball while it's small, which brings us to the one rule. Here's the rule that decides everything. Don't eat a loop while it's small. Reinvest every early dollar until the income is loud enough to live on. That patience is the whole edge, and AI just makes each turn of the loop faster. Pick one loop, put in your $100, and start before you feel ready. Subscribe to Moth Money for more honest ways to use AI to make money. No hype, just the math.